package that just came in the mail today. These are stickers from Super Wow Factory. Now, let me tell you guys, I have been collecting Super Wow Factory stickers for quite some time now. I always loved the quality of the stickers and everything that they produce. Their attention to detail is literally marvelous. So I'm super excited to announce that I worked with Super Wow Factory on getting my own stickers printed. So these are gonna be live on my website, probably now by the time that I post this video, but I'm really excited for these stickers, you guys. And they're not race car stickers. All right, let's see. Oh my God, this is literally what I'm talking about. This is why I wanted to work with Super Wow Factory on these stickers. You guys, look at their attention to detail. They sent me their own little sticker, super nice and cute, really well packaged. Look at my stickers. These must be separated by like what, 25? Because I have 4 of these, yeah. These are separated by like 25 stickers each. They are super well packaged, literally presented so much nicer than the last stickers that I ordered. Don't get me wrong, my last race car stickers were really good quality. That's what I'm paying for. That's why I'm working with the companies that I'm working with. But Super Wow Factory's attention to detail matches mine to a T, which is why I'm super excited to be working with them. And literally, look at this. Look at this packaging. And do you guys see this? I'm literally so stoked on these. I don't even want to sell them. I just want to keep them because this is like so professional, the way that they package these. I'm gonna show you guys the way that you are supposed to apply these stickers really quick. So you should peel off the white backing first, and then you're gonna have this left with the transfer tape. So you're gonna stick this wherever you want and then peel the clear part off. I need to put the sticker somewhere now. Yep, let me go do that. I think I have an idea. I hope you guys are as excited for these stickers as I am. Super excited to be working with Super Wow Factory, and to be honest with you, I sat on this design for a while. I was so in love with it. It was just my phone screensaver and I had no idea what to do with it, but I finally figured it out and I got some freaking stickers printed. So if you guys want to buy one, they should be live on my website already by the time that this video comes out, because I am going to stop talking right now and let you guys check out the stickers a little bit so that you can then go to the link in my bio and purchase them. Here's the stickers and the link is in my bio.